Hi, I want to show you this umbrella style sunshade I got for my car. It's really good because it blocks out a lot of heat, infrared radiation and ultraviolet rays as well. And because this is the Tiago top model, it's got a black interior. It gets really hot in the summer and it takes a long time for the aircon to cool it down. So this is how it looks when you've put it on. It's quite easy to put on. There's a strap over here which goes around the IRVM, and then you just put this down and it collapses into a purse style umbrella. Sorry, an umbrella for the purse, like it's not that big. I'm only using one hand so it's not easy to demonstrate. And you just wrap it up, put it in the glove box. You can be done with it whenever you are willing to drive. So once you're done with it, you can just I can't demonstrate the heat, but it stays at least 10 to 15 degrees cooler, and the aircon doesn't take a long while to cool the car down. So I recommend buying it. I got this off Amazon, and it's a Chinese product. Clearly mentioned it's made in China. It cost me 650 rupees, and because it's on season, if you buy it off season it might be a bit cheaper, but I really recommend it. It's really good.